Hi friends, my name is Shayanti and you are welcome to Big Basket Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how you can rock this Diwali and create that dhamaka makeup look which will make all heads turn. I'm sure you want to watch out for it, so here it is. Diwali look has to be the dhamaka look and it's a high definition look. So you want to make sure that your skin looks absolutely flawless. For that, start with the primer. Primer is actually like a cream and all you need to do is after washing your face, you can apply the primer directly. Just make dots and blend it in. If you want, you can apply the primer around your neck as well. Moving on, just give a minute for it to settle and then apply the foundation. Now, if you feel you need more coverage for some spots on your face or the dark circles under your eyes, you can use a concealer. Defining the eyebrows is really important because it makes your look sharper. So, taking an angular brush, I am using brown eyeshadow to define my eyebrows. Next, this is a look for Diwali and it has to be having a glow. I would suggest that you should always opt for powder based products because there will be a lot of heat generated whether you're lighting diyas or whether you're bursting crackers. You don't want your makeup to melt. This is a powder highlighter and again I'm going to use my fingers to touch up the points I want to highlight on my face. I have another trick for the inner corners of the eyes to sparkle and that is to use a silver pencil. You can give a miss to the eyeliner which is the liquid liner and instead opt for powder liner. I'll show you how. This is a huge trend right now and you can select the brown because it will give you a soft smoky effect instantly. All you need to do is take the angular brush and taking brown eyeshadow powder on it, you need to define the outline of your eyes like this. Do the same on the upper lid. Now you need to add some color to your cheeks with blush on. Again, remember to use a powder one. So I'm taking the blush on this brush and I'm going to apply on the cheeks. Making a fish face always helps. So instead of settling your makeup with regular compact powder, you can opt for a shimmer powder because this is Diwali and you want to glow. I am using a fluffy brush to take a little of it, patting it on the back of my hand and applying it on the cheek area. If you want to keep the look little different and go all gold, I would suggest that you can give a miss to your regular lip color and try something like a bronze shade. I have tried to keep this look a little more Indo-Western, but if you want to change it around, please go ahead and do so. You can add a bindi, you can add flowers to your hair and do it your way. If you like this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also in the comments below, do write to me and let me know what compliments you got.